Are you trying to upgrade your CNC router with a spindle that actually delivers clean, precise cuts? If you felt overwhelmed by the choices, don't worry because we're breaking it down with a quick, reliable overview. Today, I'm going to be going over the best CNC router spindle that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the NymoLabs CNC router spindle motor. From first glance, the unit exudes industrial confidence, designed for hobbyists stepping into serious CNC work while maintaining accessible maintenance. It targets small mills and workshop startups seeking reliable spindle power without breaking the bank or complicating retrofits. The design aims to simplify swapping and alignment, appealing to makers migrating from belt drive systems to direct drive elegance. The housing uses a rigid aluminum alloy with precision machining, yielding minimal runout and stable performance across compact workshop footprints. Its compact dimensions measure roughly 140 by 72 by 110 millimeters, enabling installation in tight workshops without reconfiguring existing setups. It accepts standard collet sizes and factory-fitted power connectors, simplifying retrofits with popular CNC controllers. The spindle integrates a water-sealed bearing system for dust resilience and sustained precision during long milling sessions. Standout features include built-in tachometer feedback and a thermal sensor array that triggers smart cooling intervals. Top-end dynamic torque at high RPMs remains surprisingly stable thanks to balanced rotor design and optimized cooling channels. During test milling with 6mm end mills, it maintained clean surface finishes on moderate hardwoods at 20k RPM with moderate feed rates. In aluminum work, vibration remains subdued, yielding consistent chip formation and reduced tool wear over extended production runs. Thermal management proved adequate for continuous operation up to 90 minutes before cooling downtime, aligning with hobbyist and light industrial use cases. Compared with the rival X-Carb spindle, the NymoLabs unit delivers quieter operation and easier mounting, though at a modest price premium. The pros include rigid aluminum housing, compact footprint, and built-in thermal monitoring, delivering solid durability, space efficiency, and proactive cooling management. The cons include higher price than basic spindles and mounting complexity in non-standard tables, which may deter budget-conscious workshops and retrofit plans. At number 4, we have the FoxAlien CNC Spindle Motor Kit. From the packaging to the quick start guide, this kit signals a hobbyist-friendly approach designed for desktop CNC users seeking reliable performance. It targets makers upgrading from low-power spindles and compact routers, delivering improved rigidity, smoother operation, and repeatable results for hobbyists. The spindle housing uses a sturdy aluminum body with precise machining, offering a compact footprint that integrates neatly into standard DIY CNC frames. The dimensions fit common 52 to 65mm collets, reducing mounting conflicts and ensuring stable alignment during high-speed CNC operations. The kit includes a comprehensive spindle, style collet adapter, and a compatible controller connection harness that simplifies integration with common CNC controllers. In practical cuts, it maintains stable runout under moderate loads and provides clean finishes with appropriate feeds and speeds. Bench tests show the spindle maintains steady RPM and minimal vibration during mid-range loads, indicating good long-term reliability. Compared with a rival 5kW spindle, the FoxAlien unit delivers comparable performance with quieter operation and simpler mounting. The pros include strong mounting stability, broad collet compatibility, and easy wiring and controller integration. The cons include higher price relative to budget spindles and heavier weight affecting compact desktops. In ongoing operation, the spindle maintains consistent torque and quiet cooling when run with a proper chip management strategy and balanced feeds. Maintenance is straightforward, with accessible screws and a removable cover that simplifies bearing inspection and periodic lubrication tasks. For best results, secure the spindle to a rigid mount, verify level, and tune feed rates to material type to maximize finish quality. This configuration supports a broad range of mid-size CNC projects when paired with a rigid frame and proper power supply. At number 3, we have the Genmitsu 3020 PRO. From the outset, the Genmitsu 3020 Pro signals strong appeal to hobbyists seeking desktop CNC performance with room to scale. Its accessible firmware, modular add-ons, and comfortable learning curve make it suitable for schools, makerspaces, and individuals prototyping light-duty projects. The chassis uses a sturdy aluminum frame paired with precision racks, delivering low flex under typical cuts while remaining relatively compact. Overall dimensions stay compact enough for a standard work table yet robust enough to resist vibration during heavy passes. The optional acrylic enclosure reduces noise and debris spread, while accessible cable management keeps power and USB lines tidy. Under the hood, the Genmitsu 3020 Pro ships with a rigid Y-axis linear guide, beefy stepper motors, and a spindle harness designed for ease. Cutting area and travel are optimized for wood, plastic, and soft metals, but users must not exceed recommended feed rates. It supports common GRBL-based control software and can be upgraded with offline controllers for truly uninterrupted workflow. During tests, the 3020 Pro maintains smooth motion at moderate depths, delivering clean carvings with minimal tool deflection and consistent bit wear. In thinner materials like 1/8-inch plywood, the machine produced precise pockets and gentle finishing passes without chattering. When cutting aluminum or steel, users must opt for appropriate speeds and lubricants, limiting the 3020 Pro to experimentation rather than production. In comparison to the popular Shapeoko 3, the Genmitsu 3020 Pro delivers sturdier construction and easier setup for beginners. The pros include strong rigidity, long-term modular upgrade paths that feel intuitive, and solid value for money overall. The cons include limited spindle life under heavy-duty use and a steeper learning curve that can deter absolute beginners. At number 2, we have the RATTMMOTOR Spindle Motor. From the moment you unbox, the RATTMMOTOR Spindle Motor appears tailored for serious hobbyists and small shop professionals seeking precise, repeatable results. Its core appeal centers on CNC woodworkers, metalworkers, and education labs needing reliable mid-range horsepower without recurring service interruptions. It targets users who outgrow toy spindles but require a manageable price point, robust performance, and straightforward mounting compatibility. The housing blends high-strength aluminum with reinforced end caps, delivering rigidity while keeping weight manageable for typical benchtop CNC rigs. Its compact footprint measures approximately 4 by 4 inches and integrates standard mounting patterns to fit most 52mm tool configurations. Overall dimensions align with common CNC spindle footprints, reducing the need for custom adapters and frictionless integration with existing tool changers. The spindle delivers a rated speed range from 10,000,000,000, designed to handle lightweight aluminum and plastics with consistent torque. Power is supplied via a standard 110 to 240 volt input, keeping installation flexible across international workshops. It employs a brushless design for smoother operation and reduced heat buildup, extending service life under continuous running. Integrated cullet system accepts standard cullets up to 1/4 inch, enabling quick tool changes and broad compatibility. In lab tests, it maintains stable spindle speed with minimal runout, delivering repeatable cuts across multiple passes with low vibration. During real-world sessions, operators reported clean finish quality on aluminum and plastics and appreciated the quiet operation. In direct comparisons against a budget spindle from an established brand, the RATTMMOTOR Spindle Motor delivers steadier torque and noticeably lower runout. The pros include robust all-metal construction, wide RPM range for flexible materials, and easy mounting for fast setup. The cons include higher price for mid-range spindle and limited integrated coolant options that may raise running costs. At number 1, we have the RATTMMOTOR CNC Spindle Motor. From the moment you unbox the RATTMMOTOR CNC Spindle Motor, the unit conveys professionalism and promises reliable performance for difficult CNC routing. It targets hobbyists upgrading their home shops and small-scale fabricators seeking precision without sacrificing budget flexibility and scalability. The enclosure and mounting system suggests quick integration with standard work tables, reducing setup friction during initial toolpath tuning. Constructed with a rigid aluminum housing, the RATTMMOTOR CNC Spindle Motor design emphasizes stiffness and heat dissipation during use. Its compact dimensions measure roughly 4 by 4 by 3 inches, enabling installation in tight enclosures and multi-axis setups. Machine surfaces exhibit smooth tolerances, and a knurled collar provides tactile grip during tool changes for quick and repeatable setups. Internally, the RATTMMOTOR CNC Spindle Motor features a precision ceramic bearing set coupled to a brushless arrangement for smooth torque delivery. A built-in variable speed controller on the RATTMMOTOR CNC Spindle Motor supports a wide RPM range, enabling delicate engraving and aggressive pocketing. Overheat protection on the RATTMMOTOR CNC Spindle Motor helps maintain consistent performance during long milling sessions even under heavy loads. In real-world milling with the RATTMMOTOR CNC Spindle Motor, the unit maintains stable RPM under load and delivers clean cuts. Thermal behavior remains predictable during extended sessions, with minimal drift and consistent tool life across typical production runs. Vibration is noticeably suppressed due to a balanced rotor and precision coupling, improving surface finish quality in practice. In direct comparison to the Hitech 600W spindle, the RATTMMOTOR demonstrates superior rigidity and cooler operation at high speeds. The pros include strong torque delivery, exceptional build quality, and a broad RPM range that supports delicate engraving through hard milling. The cons include a higher price point and increased weight compared to budget competitors, potentially demanding sturdier mounts and improved cooling.